Welcome to 139 Gledhill Avenue. This is a magical pocket in the universe. It's pure delight. This house has been filled with baking and laughter and family and neighbors for over 30 years. I think this is the perfect place to start your family. So let's have a look. Now we're in the front of the house, so I just want to tell you that this garden is really amazing. My seller decided that she was going to leave it au naturel. So this is purely natural garden. It's filled with milkweed that the butterflies love and little tiny bits of periwinkle and lily of the valley, so it smells delightful, and it's all natural habitat. So I hope you enjoy that as you're sitting here. Now let's go inside. Main space of the house, very wide semi over 22 feet. Original features of this house. Fireplace, are you kidding me? Original, gorgeous. Also, gorgeous original stained glass in the front and beautiful flow throughout the house. Chef's kitchen. It was a chef that lived here, so she created it to make meals for other people. Farmhouse sink, 5-burner stove, cupboards like you wouldn't believe, all ready to make dinners. Okay, this space is an addition, and it's magnificent. In a semi like this, unbelievably big space. So it could have been a family room. You can create whatever you want. My chef cellar would like to do big, fantastic dinners here. You can come over here to the hutch, which is filled with cupboards, and oh, I don't know, have a cocktail? Why not have a cocktail? Sit down and look out onto that magnificent back garden. This is the main floor bathroom. It is so perfect because if you're an entertainer, you do not want people traipsing upstairs to your private bathroom, so oh, you have one here. So we are here. You don't actually know if we are or not, because I know you're not close enough. But that's Toronto, which is where we are, in the second floor of this beautiful house. And this is the third bedroom or the office. And if you did have to work from home, I don't know if that's happened to you during this pandemic, but wouldn't you like to work here with this delightful view? Renovated upstairs bathroom. Renovated, brand new. Oh, except the cast iron, real cast iron bathtub. Oh yeah, that's a real one. Can't get that on Kijiji, my friends. Cannot get that on the internet. This is the second bedroom. Now, we don't actually have this set up as an extra bedroom because we don't have enough bodies to lie in it, but this would be the perfect sweet kids bedroom. Oh, huge cupboards also. This is the main bedroom. This is the place where it all happens. Reading and dressing and sleeping. That's what I mean when I say everything. Gorgeous, big space, lovely. What a retreat. This is like a little retreat. Wall to wall. I don't know if you know what I mean by wall to wall, but I mean actually wall to wall. We're in the basement and it's not even creepy. This is the unfinished, sort of semi-finished, partially finished basement. Now, my client was a gardener, so gardening table, she did a lot of her work here. You will see in the gardens that that is true. Even though this is unfinished, this would be a perfect basement apartment. It has a separate entrance, the plumbing's already here, the ceilings are high enough, and if you don't want to finish it, well, you just do yoga, or lift weights, or play ball hockey, whatever you want. Oh. Let me show you one other thing, because there is a bedroom down here. I am in the basement bedroom. Now, this is a Murphy bed, just by the way. Murphy bed, oh yeah, comes with the room. Also built-in desk, cupboards, little pantry. If you have a teenager who's sullen and brooding and always on their computer, why not just put them down here? You'll never see them. We're gonna go into the back garden, but before we do, I just wanna show you. It's like we're on a runway, come on. This is the mutual driveway. Now my client used to park back here. This is her shed. So if you want to, you actually could build a parking spot back here. It's wide enough to get through, no problem. Or you can work something out with the neighbor if you're really nice and you make good cookies. Here I am in the Garden of Eden, AKA the secret garden. This space has seen tea parties, wine parties, gossip. It's seen babies, it's seen parents. This is the loveliest, calmest space with nothing behind it, no street for you to be bothered by, no neighbors, all quiet. 139 Gledhill Avenue is magic.